61A, lecture number 15, announcements. Project 2 is due Friday. You get a bonus point for submitting it Thursday, and there's a project party tonight at 5 o'clock in Warren Hall. I also changed the order of the lecture topics right at the last minute. I'm sorry about that. We'll cover mutability today and syntax on Friday, which means that I didn't post the reading in time for you to read in advance, but you can read it after the lecture, that's okay. This is a new lecture that we're introducing to the course. I think it's pretty cool. But as I was working on it, I realized it would be better if we had covered data abstraction and trees and mutability together, because then we can put them all into an extended example on Friday. So today we'll talk about mutability, which is a fundamental part of the object system. We're working our way towards studying objects in great detail starting next week.